Okay, for the previous video, we already show you how to configure the LAN access to the internet already, and so this video we would like to show you how to configure the DHCP servers for the LAN 10.10.10.10.0/24. So in this video, we would like to configure the DHCP server on the Mikrotik to allow user 2, user 1, and another user and be able to get the IP from the DHCP server. We will go to configure on the LAN is easier tool. So go to Mikrotik. Okay, so for the command line, we will go to the IP DHCP servers setup. Okay, just enter, and we will configure on the LAN 1 for this DHCP, and this is the DHCP address space is network. Okay, for the gateways, 254, and the address queue out is 200, and the server we still use the Google and the Cloud9, and list time by default we use 10 Okay, so that's all. IP DHCP server print. Okay, so now you can see that the DHCP number 1 and from the interface LAN 1 and the address pool. Okay, so now let's test with the user. Okay, you need to enable the DHCP, yes. Okay, so the IP is 10.10.10.200. Okay, now the user can get an IP and access to the internet. Okay, network DHCP, yes. Terminal fconfig. Okay, another is 199. Okay, so this is the basic thing that we can create the DHCP with the command. Okay, for this I will send you the command line that we can configure the DHCP server. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. So that's all for this. Thank you.